Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 273 different strategies with 84 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 162 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,004 indicators with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping indicator. And so the source video says new buy sell indicator Tradingview has a 96.2% win rate. So of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this. Now, like I said, this is just an indicator. It's not a full strategy. And so according to the source video, as you just heard, it is supposed to have a very high win rate. And so this is going to go underneath the indicator testing, not the strategy testing, since it is just a standalone indicator. And so the indicator we are going to add to the screen is going to be the Cheese Lion Trading Algo indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings on this. And what we are going to do is we are just going to change the buy tags or the buy flags to a green color, and the sell flags we're going to change to a red color. Everything else can stay on the default settings like so. Go ahead and click OK, and it should look like this here on screen. And so what we are looking for is when we get a red flag like this right here, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. And like I said, there's no other indicators to this, just this one indicator. So that will be the only criteria that we need met, is the red flag. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right above this last swing here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see what we get. And you can see that we just kind of consolidate here for a moment and then make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is going to be the green flag, just like this here. And again, that's the only criteria that we are looking for. We're going to set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this last swing or pivot, and then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so that one takes a little bit longer, but we eventually stair step our way up, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 16 winning trades and 36 losing trades, putting it at a 28% win rate with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. If you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So a really bad indicator, a really bad win rate for sure. Like I said in one of the last videos, anytime you drop down into the 20% area or lower, yeah, that's not great at all. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 44 trades altogether. We had 38 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,800. On the losing side, you lost $4,680 for an overall gain of $18,150. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain the access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable trading indicator. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. So this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 3 trades altogether. We had 3 winning trades, a 100% win rate, and that would have been a gain of $1,800. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 1 winning, 1 losing, a 50% win rate, would have been a drawdown of $300, and for the week we would have been up $1,500. At the 25-week total now, we would have been up $39,760 over 197 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity. All right, so that's it for this indicator here. This one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.